So when we bought this property, it is around 20 years old property. We wanted it to be a bit, modern, with a modern kitchen, with proper renovated bathrooms and all. We met Sidhuji, and he just guided us, he helped us to understand how we should renovate and, kitchen, and he gave us some samples. So that is the best part actually, because we both are working, we have 2 kids. We didn't have time actually. So he just handled everything.
Most important factor was when we contacted you in December 2021. It was a quick decision. Most of the builders were not very responsive and not very, switched on. He does it the way as if he owns it. Obviously, we have to pay the money. That's a different story. But at least the task is owned as if he's doing his own house.
The kitchen is absolutely, everybody loves the kitchen. Whoever comes here, our friends, the kitchen is very nice. Bathrooms are fully renovated, and credit goes to esteemed construction and Sidhuji for guiding us and doing everything properly.
Whoever has come so far, if they have bought a house, they have straight away gone to you. I don't know how many, but there are definitely 3-4 guys who have gone to you. A couple of them are already in the middle of their renovations. So to me, trust and ownership of the task were 2 important factors.